G'day, I'm Mick Angelhere and welcome to Mick Angelhere's Australia. Right now I'm in the deepest, darkest Australian bush and we're going exploring and we'll see what we can find here in the bush. As you can see, I'm in the middle of the bush and I cannot really see anything animal wise, wildlife wise. There you go, you can hear the birds. It's nearly close to midday, so the animals are pretty smart to get out the heat, so to speak. Hopefully we'll find a goanna or a snake or a roo, but we just have to be very quiet as we walk through the bush, because they just take off when they hear you. Plenty of skinks. That's a little one. They can get bigger than that. Shh, we've got a lace monitor, a goanna up there. I've got to be very quiet. See how well camouflaged he was? You could barely see him among the ground here. He's so well camouflaged. He's a bit camera shy. Just disappeared, and so I don't know where he went to. So hopefully we can get a bit closer to him, but just got to be very quiet. See how quickly he moved, and you can't even see him. I had a hard time seeing him there. Okay. Oh, there he is. And that's a goanna. He's only a little one. They love eggs, so if you've got chickens and you live near the bush, be prepared for these buggers. They love eggs. See how well he blends in. Wow, he's not too keen on me. Ooh. See how the bird is alarmed by that goanna. He's obviously got a nest in there. He's making a noise to scare the bird, the goanna off. He's a bit alarmed. Hear him. There he is. Goannas feed on eggs, small insects, even small birds. That one got a bit alarmed there. So that's interesting. It's very hard to get those birds on camera too. but he was so distracted by the goanna, didn't see me, so that's really good. What sort of bird it is, I'm not sure. I'm going to have to brush up on my birds. But this is incredible. We got to see two different species interacting, one threatened by a predator. Well, and that predator was trying to get away from me. So, well, that's exciting. Whoops. Watch out for trees, they grab ya.